Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tip, I would like to show you a wonderful feature called Wrap Around mode. To get to that mode, you will need to click on this button. Clicking on this button will help you create seamless texture designs. You can also use it to draw tiling patterns or wallpapers. The list of projects is endless. Let me show you. First, draw your design. I am going to create something super simple for the demonstration. Alright, I'm going to stop here because I need to know if this is going to flow and make sense at the end. So I'm going to click on the button. Now my job is to zoom in and out and remove or correct what I think doesn't work in the image. Again, I want the design to flow. So I'll keep going back and forth between the regular mode and the wraparound mode until I am happy with my design. And I think I'm going to stop here. It's not bad. I hope you give it a try. Have fun and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week.